Alright, so my bike's been sitting all night. It was a little cold out. Now it's actually pretty hot. So I'm gonna start her up and just do a little rev of this exhaust. There's thousands and thousands of exhaust revving videos, but why not just add another? To stop that before I get another noise complaint on my bike. Had a noise complaint on my 250, so this one's a lot louder. So yep, that's my bike. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. I did a video showing the bike, so if you haven't seen that, go check out my channel, go look at it, and check out my other videos. Maybe you might like what you see. And yeah, subscribe if you like my videos. Send me a message, comment, like, do what you have to do. Thank you.